One man tried to stop a sneeze and ended up in the hospital. Here's what happened. A healthy 34-year-old man in the UK pinched his nose and closed his mouth to hold in a sneeze. Seconds later, he felt a poppy in his throat. Turns out, the pressure from that trapped sneeze tore a hole in his windpipe. He couldn't speak, he couldn't swallow. Doctors rushed him in for emergency treatment because air was leaking into his chest and neck. When you sneeze, air shoots out of your nose at nearly 160 kilometers per hour. If you block it, that force has nowhere to go. It can cause internal injuries, burst eardrums, ruptured blood vessels, even brain bleeds. The man survived, but doctors warned him, never try that again. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out.